How to cancel Freetrade account. Freetrade is a UK-based investment platform that offers commission-free trading of equities and ETFs. It is available on Android and iOS. Freetrade offers a simple, intuitive business model with fixed account fees that don't increase with your portfolio. To cancel your Freetrade account, follow these steps. Make sure you have sold out all of your investment. Withdraw all of your funds. Then open Freetrade app. Navigate to Portfolio tab on app. Then tap on Profile icon. Then select Contact Us. Then choose Send Us Message. Then select My Account. Then select Manage My Account and close it. This is how you can cancel your Freetrade account. If you are having trouble, simply contact them. Thanks for watching.